Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we'll see a simple swapping program by using tuple unpacking. So usually when we have to swap any program, we have to declare a third variable in order to swap. However, in Python, we don't need any third variable. It's as simple as we have to just define a small function, which is swap Pythonic. That is the function name. Okay. Then we are going to give two variables because we have to swap the function. So minimum two variables are required, that is a and b. And we will return b comma a. That's it. This is as simple as that. That's all we need to swap two variables. So this is the example usage. X equals to 5 and y equals to 10. So before swapping, the values of x and y will be 5 and 10. And after swapping, after we'll call this function swap Pythonic, and this inputs will be given. The variable input variable will be x and y. So after swapping, it will be 10 comma 5. So yeah, that's it. This is the simple swapping of values using Python. And you can find the link of this code in my GitHub repo. It's in the description. So do check it out. Thank you.